Good afternoon, traders. Hope you guys are all having a great afternoon so far. Not too much of interesting price action. Another day of consolidation on the S&P and on the Nasdaq. Like always, I'm going to be doing a review of the S&P and the Nasdaq, along with SPY, QQQ, and all of my open positions, and how exactly I'm positioning myself for tomorrow. Now, like always, please like, subscribe, comment. It'll be greatly appreciated. But let's get into it. So we're going to start over on SPY. So the big levels to watch on SPY for tomorrow is, let's go down to 1 hour. The levels I'm going to be watching are going to be that 453.27 gap fill, 454.24 gap fill, and 455 to my upper side. Let's just say we start pushing down lower tomorrow. I would watch 451.38, 450, and 449. I'm just playing the market level to level like usual. On the triple Qs, the levels to watch on triple Q is going to be the gap fill at 388.43. We got a gap fill at 390.74. I would watch to the upside 389.05 and 390.74. To the downside, watch 387.75, 386.70. And if 386.70 breaks, watch 386. On the NASDAQ, these levels are going to be, the gap fills are going to be 14,202.73 and 14,287.2. Gap fills on the S&P are going to be 45.48.16 and 45.38.70. And then the other positions I have, as you guys know from, if you guys watch my other videos, I have a open position right now in McDonald's, Walmart, and Coca-Cola. I end up selling off 20,000 of McDonald's, and I put 10,000 more into Coca-Cola and into Walmart. I'll put on the reason why I bought these. So as you can see here, on the weekly, well, I've gone over this in my previous videos, but I'll show you. I saw that the market was coming down to this weekly 200 EMA and SMA, and over the last 15 years, McDonald's did not cross it once, or it did a few times on like the COVID crash, on extreme events, but nothing out of no irregular price action. So probabilities were that we were going to move higher, that it was just oversold. So I ended up buying at 249.49. Did well on that one. My reason for buying Coca-Cola was because I saw that the Coca-Cola has been respecting for at least the last year and a half to 2 years, has been respecting 200 EMA and SMA. So I figured if we can reclaim that, which we did last week, I ended up buying on Monday. I bought 2,500, then added 10,000 today in the morning. Turns out that was the right decision. I think that Coca-Cola is going to it's going to make a push back to 67.20. I'm thinking about opening a covered call position as well to make an additional income on that, but I'll debate that in the future. And then Walmart, I ended up buying them off the daily. If we go to the daily chart, as you can see, for the last, 6 to 8 months, it's respected the 200 EMA and the SMA. We reported earnings, let's see, when was that? A few days ago, last week. We reported earnings last week, and that caused it to fall. They beat earnings but gave negative guidance. So in my opinion, it was an overreaction. And considering that we also have the holiday season coming up, I think Walmart's a great buy. I ended up buying it up. I bought 2,500 on this candle right here, and I ended up buying another 10,000 today of Walmart. I'm very bullish on them. My stop loss is going to be 152 on that, which is on the other side of 200 EMA and SMA, which will prove my analysis just plain and wrong. Well, that's what I'm going to be watching tomorrow, and